Hi, boys and girls. So, again, this week, don't forget, we're talking about character traits. And a character trait is a way to describe a character and what a character is like on the outside, that's their physical trait, or on the inside, which is their personality trait. So, this video will explain what you need to do for Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday, you're going to be focusing on the physical trait or what the character looks like on the outside and what you see with your eyes. You boys and girls will be picking a character from your fiction books that you read last week. So, you will be picking a character from The Big Sheep Mix-Up, if you read that book, The Five Brothers, or The Fox and the Goat. You need to pick one character from that book. So let me show you what you will be doing here. So for Monday, you boys and girls will be writing the book title here. I left the 3 here for you. Again, please just type it in so for Mrs. Spiza knows what book you read. And then you boys and girls will write the name of the character that you chose. Now, some of you, I know the characters don't have a name, so make sure you just write the character's name or what the author refers to the character as. So what you're going to do is the directions will all be written in the Google Docs. For Monday, what you're going to do is you will, again, like I said, pick a character and you're going to just draw the character for Monday. What I want you to do is make sure you include the background. Be very detailed with this because this will help you for tomorrow's responses and lessons. And you boys and girls, make sure you have 10 colors. And once you finish, you can, I'd like it as an attachment when you attach it to the Google Classroom. If mom or dad can take a picture or if they want to email Miss Laspiza, that's fine. But I'd like to see how you drew your character. This can be done on this paper. If mom and dad want to print it out, that's fine. Or if you want to do it on a separate piece of paper, but please make sure you have 10 colors and have a detailed background. So this is for Monday's assignment. Tuesday, you boys and girls again will be using your picture from yesterday, and you boys and girls will be talking about the physical traits or what the characters look like. And think about what he or she is wearing and how they look. You boys and girls, I have a word bank here for you to help you. You don't have to use these words, but if you would like to, you may. And what I want you to do is, again, think of 6 physical traits. Again, a physical trait is what you see. And in a complete sentence, please describe how the character physically looks. Remember to say the character's name. You can also use a simile in your sentences to help understand the trait. So if Miss Laspiza was picking a character, I'm going to use a book that you boys and girls are familiar with, is Enemy Pie. I'm going to describe the character Jeremy Ross. So here's Jeremy Ross here, boys and girls. Some physical character traits, and again, this is what I see here, are he has brown straight hair. He has rosy cheeks. They are as pink as hydrangeas. And I see that Jeremy has dark brown eyes, as brown as chocolate chips. So notice I'm describing what I see. And then I see he's wearing a green and white striped shirt in a complete sentence. So this video, again, will explain what you're doing for Monday and Tuesday this week. In another video, I will explain Wednesday and Thursday. So just as a friendly reminder for Tuesday, this is Tuesday's day 2. For character traits, you are putting in a complete sentence describing 6 physical traits about your character. So again, boys and girls, this is what you will be working on for Monday and Tuesday. I'll talk to everyone soon. Have a great day.